Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a simple step-by-step guide on how to follow a list on X, the platform formerly known as Twitter. Lists are one of the most underrated features on X, but they make it so much easier to stay organized and keep track of topics, communities, or people you're most interested in. By the end of this video, and use lists to streamline your experience. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you're on your home screen, tap on your profile icon or menu, and scroll until you see the section labeled Lists. This is where you'll be able to view any lists you've already created or followed, as well as explore new ones. Think of it as your personal hub for grouping accounts together in one place. Next, browse or search for a public list. You can do this by typing keywords into the search bar or checking out lists that other users have shared. For example, maybe you're interested in technology news, fitness tips, or even your favorite sports team. Public lists are created by other X users, and they're designed to group accounts that share similar content. Browsing through them is a great way to discover new voices and communities that match your interests. Once you've found a list that grabs your attention, all you need to do is tap follow. By following, the list will instantly be added to your own collection, and you'll be able to view its stream of posts anytime. The beauty here is that even if you don't follow every single account inside the list individually, their updates will still show up when you check that list. It's like creating a custom feed tailored to your curiosity. From there, you can access your followed lists anytime by going back into the Lists section of the app. You can also pin a list to your home timeline for quicker access, which means less scrolling and more focused browsing. And that's it. Quick, easy, and incredibly useful. Following lists can transform the way you experience X, cutting out clutter and helping you zero in on exactly what you want to see. Give it a try, and you'll notice how much smoother your time on the app becomes.